Coming back to the UK after a long trip in India, it completely hits different every time. This time, it hit me harder than I expected. If you are someone who keeps on traveling between India and different countries, you will exactly understand what I'm talking about. India ki vibe, India ki energy, and all of a sudden, UK's calm, UK's silence, and UK's routine. It really hits different. The cultural shock is on next level. Let me tell you exactly what happens. The first thing that hits you is when you land in the UK. Silence. India mein everything is so loud. Gaadiyan, log, padosi, everything. Like even if you're in your house, घर पे भी जब आप हो, it's so loud. गली के कुत्ते, बाहर लोगों की चीखने की आवाज और हॉर्न और finally when I came back to UK, especially this time because it was the festive season, Diwali ka time. It was so busy back in India. The first day when I came here, I took a nap. I woke up. I had a jet lag. तो पहले तो मुझे लगा कि मैं सो गया पूरा दिन, but I actually slept till like 1. But मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि पूरी शाम चली गई मेरी. I got up and it was so weird for me because कोई sound नहीं, बिल्कुल silent. मतलब कोई आवाज नहीं, बिल्कुल हॉर्न की आवाज नहीं आ रही थी. It was so weird for me. I was feeling so low. And then I went downstairs. I sat with my girlfriend. The house was so quiet. And उसने मेरे लिए YouTube पे ट्रैफिक की आवाज चला दी. And to be honest, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था I will do that in my life. But I sat there and I actually heard that for half an hour. कि अब ठीक लग रहा है. मैं थोड़ा सा ट्रैफिक की आवाज सुन रहा हूँ तो. I know it sounds weird, but to be honest, that was my therapy for the day. Honestly, यहाँ पे the brain goes like क्या कोई है, कोई सुन रहा है. Literally walls feel like they have noise cancellation कि किसी की आवाज ही नहीं आ रही यार. And we have such a big garden and I was standing outside like I love nature की आवाज आ रही है but still like I'm feeling weird कि horn क्यों नहीं सुनाई दे रहे मुझे. So this is the first 24 hours contrast difference that really hits hard. I know people say it's not, but it does really hits you hard. फिर आता है actual emotional punch. In India, you're surrounded with your family, your friends, your neighbors, and when you go after a very long time, everyone wants to meet you, and you are so occupied with so much stuff that सांस लेने का, अपने लिए टाइम निकालने का तो टाइम ही नहीं होता. मतलब आप छुट्टियों पे जा रहे हो बट आप रेस्ट करने नहीं जा रहे क्योंकि when I was there, I was just running around. I was meeting someone every moment of my day कि मैं सुबह उठ रहा हूँ, मैं अपने किसी दोस्त से मिल रहा हूँ, फिर मैं शाम को किसी दोस्त से मिल रहा हूँ. तो in India it's always happening. Like someone's calling you constantly. आप रिलेटिव से मिल रहे हो, बहनों से मिल रहे हो, कजन से मिल रहे हो. Like something's happening. But the contrast, the moment you land here is again, it's just you. Because as of me, I don't have any family here. I have few friends, but हम भी बहुत rarely weekends पे एक बार या दो बार मिल लेते हैं. But here you don't get to see everyone every day. So that's a really big contrast different as well because एक दिन you're just surrounded by so many people and when you come here it's just you by yourself. Makes you more emotional every time you go back to India and come back here. When you live here for a very long time, you actually forget how it feels being surrounded by so many people, and when you go back and you remember that thing and you have to come back to this place, it just makes it more harder. Then the routine shock. I went to India for my holidays. So I was really relaxed in a way कि मैं आराम से उठ रहा हूँ 10-11 बजे and I'm going out having my breakfast, eating junk food and just chilling around, waiting for my friends so they can finish their work in the evening. Then we're going out, we're just roaming around for no reason, trying different foods, played cricket with my friends, and now it's really easy in Delhi so you can just book a court and you go play cricket. But then you come back here, your work life starts again. You have to get back to work, you have to get up early, you have to get your things done, you have so many responsibilities, you can't just pass them on, you have to take care of them by yourself. So you have to schedule your day. शाम को घर आना, अपने लिए खाना बनाना, फिर रात को सफाई करके सोना क्योंकि अगले दिन आपने ही उठ के वहाँ जाना है. In India it's mostly खाना खाया और सो गए. You don't have to worry about cleaning or anything, but here you have to cook for yourself, you have to clean for yourself and you have to look after yourself. So उस चीज का बहुत फर्क आता है यहाँ. This trip honestly changed a lot for me. I feel more connected this time. Being in Delhi makes me feel how much family time means, how much being with your relatives and being with your family means. And especially this trip to Himachal made me feel how much far away we are from our culture now and how much we are actually missing. Coming back to the UK made me realize two things. India gives you emotion, warmth, noise, chaos in the best way, whereas UK gives you calm, discipline, and focus. And maybe both are important. They both shape me who I am. This time it was really hard for me coming back from India to UK. I was feeling so homesick at least 3 to 4 days after I was here. Especially I went on Diwali time, so it was really hard to come over that feeling and actually get back into my UK life and be stable. So yeah, this was my experience coming back to the UK from India this time. If you have ever done India to UK, India to Australia, India to Canada, I think you will understand what I'm talking about. Tell me in the comments what hit you the most when you return back from India. And if you have not watched my India series, please go have a look and you will understand what I'm talking about and how this trip made me feel like this, how this trip was so special to me. So please go and check my new India series on my channel and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.